Hey, this is Flo and welcome back to Advent of Packages. In today's episode, we will have a look at SFSymbolsFinder, a small helper library to make it easier to work with SF symbols in your SwiftUI apps. The Symbols Finder is basically just a package of all of the SF symbol names formatted into enums. And I don't think we really need to look at the documentation for this one. Let's just jump right into the project. As always, I have already imported the package dependency and I have my example project that we use in every episode. So first of all, let's import SFSymbolsFinder and let's compare the two ways how we can use SF symbols, the normal way and then with this package. So let's just create a VStack here. And first, let's create an SF symbol the normal way. So let's say, for example, house.circle.fill. And then let's create it the SF symbols finder way, where we can just say dot house circle fill. And the great thing is that we now have this autocomplete here in Xcode. So as you could see, just have a dot and then you can think about what you want. For example, you want a list. Okay, there's different types of lists. Maybe the list dash. For this example, we will stay with house circle fill. So the great part is that you just now have this autocomplete here. And if you resume the preview, then you will see that both are the exact same symbol. This is just a wrapper around the string value, so you can't forget them anymore. One thing that we will have a look at the documentation for is all of the number stuff, because there you actually, have to specify how you want to use it, because obviously enums don't support integers as case names. So to make an example here, we can't say .1 if we want the SF symbol for 1. So what we would need is, for example, indices.number, and now we can select which shape we want. So for example, let's say we want a circle for the number 1, and then we will get just that. Okay. That's already it for this episode. It's a very short one, but I think this package is it's just handy to have. It makes it a lot easier to work with SF symbols because you can't misspell any of the strings anymore. And I think it's always a great thing to move strings into an enum because that's just one less human error that you can make while programming. Okay, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed the episode and will use this package, and I will see you in the next one.